right, so I'm here with Clemson and a absolutely gorgeous Lexus LS 460. And you said what year?
2007.
2007. Okay, cool. Yeah, this was a pleasure to work on, so hopefully you're happy with it. Forgive the wind and the weird light glare and stuff, but we're gonna do it to it. And you ready to see your headlight fixer-upper?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm ready to see it.
All right, let's do this.
Oh, that's crazy.
Bam!
That's crazy.
It is
Wow.
crazy. One of these guys will have it. All right.
That's night and day. I mean, those like some brand new headlights almost.
I keep telling these people that what happens is I don't actually do the work. What happens is I get knocked out.
Yeah.
And like there's this weird gremlin or whatever that comes by.
I believe it.
And he replaces it with a new one.
I believe it.
So you
Wow.
didn't have to spend the money you did, no?
That is nice.
So hopefully I've earned a
Oh yeah.
possible referral to your what'd you say?
Yeah, to my dad. Yeah, that's
your-
definitely. I was just talking through text with him. I'm talking about bring it by so you can see it.
Sweet.
Oh, that's nice.
This was fun. So
That's gonna make my car look totally different now.
right. Well, and I don't think that it was dark or faded enough to where you're gonna really see a difference at night. Some are really so bad that I've had people say, "Oh, dude, because of what you did, I don't have to have my high beams on anymore."
Yeah, exactly.
But I don't think that that's the case here. I mean, you may. I mean, those lights are probably so darn good that maybe it's a little sharper. Maybe you do see it. I don't know.
We'll see.
But-
It's just when this car came out years ago, it was a $90,000+ car. It may be old, but still, I like to take care of my vehicles, and that right there is the one eyesore I had.
Sure, absolutely.
You made it look nice. This is nice.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Like I said, this was a dream to work on, and you are a man after my own heart, and it is just, I can tell that it's absolutely amazing. So,
Oh, yeah.
of course, black is such a pretty color, and like you said, when that stuff is all cloudy and crap, it's like a buck tooth or whatever, you know.
Yeah,
It's just sticking out like a
Sore thumb.
big time. So yeah, this was fun. I got to try out a new compounding product I have. I mean, it's not mine, but I'm stuck with the stuff that works because it works, but I'm not married to it. So
Oh yeah, I always look for stuff to help you out a little better.
yeah, of course.
No light is different, same. So
Yeah, but they're the certain
No,
ones for
man.
it. Anyway, so
he did an awesome job, man. I mean, from before the way they looked. He did my headlights. I mean, they were all just cloudy, like mine.
yeah.
Probably a little bit worse. That dude, he hooked it up, man. They look nice.
What did you do? No, I already wanted something.
Man,
Yeah,
my
this
lights
one,
are
yeah.
$1,000 a piece. So I'm like, man, I ain't about to.
Oh yeah.
So he made them look.
I only paid $182 for some new lights on Josh.
Nah, sure, you good. I'll do the same thing.
Yeah, no, this one I think was worse than the passenger,
Yeah.
if I remember, and it was in different areas.
Uh-huh.
So you just kind of attack the thick areas and try not to overdo it because you don't want to have a lot of weird scratches and stuff.
Yeah.
And then that's part of the battle is, well, I gotta hit it with something lower to get the stuff out because you've got to get the stuff out.
Yeah.
But then you, as your dad knows, it's like, now I gotta, the whole process is backing out, shining it up, but also getting swirls out.
Exactly.
Which, I got most of them out anyway. Yeah, this one was fun, so I really enjoyed it. This is probably, I'm going to tell you, and I'm not just, this is probably one of the prettiest cars I've ever done. And I'm not kidding, and that's a tribute to you, sir. So
I appreciate awesome headlights.
So we're
you did
good?
a good job. You did a very good job.
thank you, and thank you for the awesome the replenish punch drink.
Oh yeah.
You're a lifesaver.